Hey everyone, it's Phil here and you're watching STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I am currently filming a series about the Parramatta Light Rail construction. I am still beside Hawkesbury Road, approaching Westmead. I'm not too far away from Westmead Station. Speed signs for the trams.
Yeah, I think there's not
Quite a bit of work happening up here. It may actually be the terminus, which will make this video a short one. That's okay. Let's see where it goes. Yeah, it's the terminus. Alright, so this is the Westmead end of the line. A little water fountain here with Parramatta Light Rail in it. Alright. So I'm just guessing this stop will be called Westmead, because where that yellow bus is turning, the Hills bus, CDC, is going over the rail line just west of Westmead Station, I think. There's some pipe work happening between the rails. And the exit to the light rail stop here, up the stairs and onto this street with no name. It parallels Westmead Station, so it's probably called Railway Parade, just like the rest. So there's Westmead Station there. It's facing towards Parramatta and Sydney City. And an overview of this Westmead Terminus. I'll just walk you guys up to Westmead Station while ranting and carrying on. So I will do an update on the Carlingford section. Probably not the same kind of updates as I did between Parramatta City and Westmead, but it's not exactly as easy to do that. Basically, roads and everything followed the light rail line between Parramatta and Westmead, but it's a bit different when it comes to Carlingford. You have to weave in and out of the streets and things like that. But I'll eventually do some updates here and there, and definitely when these new trams get delivered and start their testing, crew training and things like that, I'll definitely get some video of that. You know what? Forget it. I'm going to go down here. But yeah, just keep on checking back on this channel in coming months, maybe a month or two, maybe 3. I'll come back and I'll do another update on this section and also do a little bit on the Carlingford line section. The Carlingford railway line, the T6 Carlingford line that was closed down to make way for the Parramatta Light Rail. One of the stations, Dundas, was actually kept, and Dundas station will be Dundas train station will be one of the light rail stops, I believe. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Alright, I'm up Parramatta, Westmead station now. So I'm going to finish up this video and I'll see you all soon. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Sydney Trains Vlogs, favourite the video and all that good jazz. And I'll catch you next time. Goodbye for now.